Hello class, this is Michael Bain. This is my 1503 excuse me, Java 2 week 1 video review. We had to create a master and a detail app using fragments. We had to pull data from an API, and when you click on the list view, it should be queried to the API and display the results in a different in the detail fragment, and the same thing should work with the cert text query, and it will display in the detail fragment. So if I push on one of these, I use Instagram, so I'm pulling the user's name, the user's what he has for his real name, and a comment, also with an image. I'm pulling 4 points of data. The requirements for this assignment was only 3, but I really wanted to do the image. So, and if you click on another one, you get a different image and a different post. And the same should work if there's no internet connection. So I'll put it in airplane mode, and I'll run it again. Okay. So I'll just clear the app, and if I click on any one of these, it should data should pull from a file that I have that's saving on the device. What I had a problem with was getting the image to save. I mean, we only required 3, so I have the 3. I have the username, the real name, and the comment. So that should cover the what was required for the assignment. But I couldn't get the image to I couldn't pull that from the local file. I don't know why. I have a method here that should turn the string into a bitmap image, because my custom class, it takes an image. It takes a string, and then I have to convert that string to an image, to a bitmap, I should say. It's like I do here. It works for when I'm pulling the data, but it works here when I pull the data and I write it. But when I want to read the data, this bitmap method, it whatever happens, it comes back null, and so the picture's not showing. But I should have enough to complete the assignment, and I'll turn the back on so I can show you the edit text portion of the app. So if I don't know what AKG, and a new post displays. So that's basically it for the app. Some of my code. It's my search fragment. Basically, what I do is I have a string, the result, which comes from the search text, the edit text field. And then I put that result string into my get instadata method, which is called when it checks if there's a connection. If there is a connection, it runs the get instadata async task, and I pass in the search for URL string, which is coming from the edit text field. And if not, if there's no internet connection, I run the same get instadata, the async task, but I don't pass in the string. So it basically reads it from the file that was saved, and I use the interface here to do it. And the interface passes. Once I on post execute, after my async runs, saves the data, then I pass those values into my my interface and detail fragment. This is where everything is displayed. And I don't know if this was the correct way to do it, but I basically did the same thing for my list view. I ran the same async task, just instead of passing the result string from the text view, from the edit text, I passed whichever item was clicked in the list view, and that's a string, so it basically does the same thing, and I pass it in and run it in my async task. This is pretty challenging. Took a good portion of my life to complete this. So yeah, that's basically it. It's Michael Bain, 1503 Java 2. Thanks for watching.